Hi, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I know it's too early, there's the snow, but I'm going to take the Harley for a quick ride around just to get it going, get the juices going through it, get the juices going through me. Okay, I got the rhino out of the shed, and now I started up the Harley. She's purring for the summer. Dirty. It needs a good cleaning. Heritage Softail. I love these bikes. Give her a little turkin. See what she goes. There's my baby. She needs a good washing, but that's half the fun of it. Okay, we got that going. Shut her down. I'll probably take her out for a ride later if it's nice still. I'm going to plug her in for the tent, keep the battery charged. So
in March,
yeah.
He's tagging who? Clint, Rob, Runner. Get out there for a spin.
Oh,
keep it safe. It's already dirty, so you can't hurt her.
No, I can't. That's for sure. Felt good. It's beautiful. Wow,
Did you get it out of your system?
No. Not out of my system.
You gotta wait another month or two.
Yeah.
Look at that dirt.
Oh, I know. She's dirty.
Time to get a beer some night this week. Sit out here and polish her up.
Clean her up.
All right. I'm glad you had fun.
All right. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget the notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. And we'll see you next video.
Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Calling the raptors. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. It even brings husband home.